Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Fitbit. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will write the name of this application like this Fitbit. Here we click on first stop and you click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we go to clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.